Hey everybody, thanks for coming back here and watching. We're going to do 7 Halloween cards for you with some Stampin' Up products. And I'll have more details on my blog, which is at maryannescreativemix.blogspot.com. And this is a simple card with some shadow printing, and it's for you. So I made an error on this one, as you can see, and I needed to cover it up because I didn't like how I tried to fix it. It wasn't nice at all. So I just used some paper to cover it. This is the new Stampin' Up paper for the Halloween section. It is really, really cute, and you could use some of it in regular cards because you could see it's a black and white print with what looks like roses or flowers. It's very attractive. It's really nice. And these are from the new glitter paper. You can see that. And they have die cuts with little bats and big bats and spiders and the frame. So I think they came out with some really good products this year for Halloween. Now you can always color in the owls. I chose not to because it was a very dark theme and I just wanted to leave it that way. I might try it to see what happens. Sorry about the blur. That was from the glitter paper. I mean, the glitter paper is amazing, but it made the camera go a little funky. These are very simple cards, very easy. I just think that the simpler the better, and I'm really just focusing on the paper on these cards. I didn't use blank inserts. Of course you can do that. This is I prefer to use both sides so that you can see them and really just highlight the way these papers are. They're beautiful papers. The stamps are too, of course, but the papers were just magnificent. Now I'm going really fast. I believe it's 8 times so that you can get a good look at all of these cards and how they were made. I have a special card that I made near the end that I'll try to explain it, but more information is going to be on my blog, which is maryannescreativemix.blogspot.com, and I hope to see you there. Please subscribe. Here it is. You can see very easy how to do this, and then I just laid across. I just thought it really turned out cute, and this was blurry, and I was trying to think if I wanted to put cover over it. I just decided to put the spider over it. Isn't that great paper? Even though it's spider webs, I mean, I think you could make a great card out of that for any time. So yeah, it didn't come out too badly. It gives it a little eerie look. With the new stamps, you have to be pretty careful about when you print them out, when you stamp them for the first time, because they can leave, they seem to absorb a little bit of the ink or just doesn't lay down the ink correctly the first time, so you have to be firm. Now this is using a die with, an embossing folder with spider webs. Oh, I loved it. It came out really nice. And it gives it a nice feel to this card. I hope you've enjoyed this. Of course, we're going to have more coming up with some of the new products for holidays, and I just thought that this would be nice for you to showcase the Halloween, which is, I'm looking forward to doing some more projects on that and hope to share it with you.